Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today I am going to be planning in my social media, which is a dashboard layout for the week of March 7th through the 13th. As always, I am going to be punching my own pages. So let me do that really quickly. This will go in my planner and then I will adhere it and we'll get started. So as I am doing that, I wanted to say thank you if you are coming back to my channel. I really appreciate you choosing to spend time with me yet again. And if you are brand new, welcome. I hope you really like it here. So today I am going to be creating another International Women's Day spread. This is something that's dear and near to my heart, and I really wanted to go ahead and emphasize it on all aspects of my planner. So 3 of my planners are decorated for International Women's Day. I know it's a lot, but I really like them. And I love having little dolls and girls in my planner, so it doesn't really matter because I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop this out. And I'm gonna be using the Rang sticker book. This is the accessory book. There's just so many girls in here that I wanted to, and I always forget I have these, so I wanted to go ahead and use them, especially because they already have like these clusters of girls combined, which perfect, right? So I'm gonna keep adding them to my planner. And I think that will make it such a fun little effect. Look at all of these, they're so beautiful. And as you can see, the girls are sitting on my skin already because that's how I use stickers. I don't know why, I don't know when this became a thing for me, but I just plop them on my hand and I transfer them when I need them. So I'm gonna add a few of them onto that Saturday. I just need to remove the line. Like so. There we go. And then I'm gonna place another group right up there. I'm just gonna remove the little days of the week. Here we go. That's another one. Actually, let me see if I can lift their heads a little and then add a correction tape underneath to make it look just slightly better, because that gray is changing their skin color. So if you guys have been watching me, you already know that I love dolls and girls and stuff like that, and little women in my planner. I think they give such a character to my spreads, so I really enjoy having those, and especially because it is, like I said, International Women's Day, so how could I not? So I'm gonna go ahead and look and add a few more details, not too many, but just enough to make the spread kind of work and fuller. So I want to add a few more girls. I'm gonna just take my eraser and soften up that correction tape because it is kind of harsh. And I want to have as many little girls in this planner as possible. So watch me try to fit an enormous amount. So I'm going to go ahead and add this little queen right there. Yep, perfect. I'm going to add another one. Look at this. This is like the boss lady. Okay, just adding few more girlies. I think that's gonna work quite well. Look at that one in a blue dress. I love her. Okay, let's add one more right there. It's like she's stepping into the grid. I'm gonna add this one in a skirt. I love her too. I love all of the little fancy raglan girls so much. And then look at that one. Like, all of these designs are so beautiful. I know this is super full, and I know that it's not for everybody. I really don't mind. Actually, I smile every time I see this spread because it makes me so happy. Like, look how pretty it is. So many girls. Different shapes and sizes and colors and probably religions. So that's what really makes me love these stickers. They're extremely inclusive, which I really like. I like having an option of adding stuff into here. Okay, so outside of girls, I don't think I'm going to be adding any accessories because it is International Women's Day, so I'll just keep it like that. I did pull out the tiny sticker book to see if there's any smaller boxes that I could use, but it didn't seem that way, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of my box stickers. I'm not sure which one just yet. Maybe the Mojo Jojo colorful boxes, and I'll just pull out all sorts of colors of the rainbow and add that in there. So a red one, a yellow. I'm just looking for the right shape. I like these like 1/3 of a box stickers. I'm not sure why, but these are my favorite size. A dark green one. A blue one. Actually, both of the blues because I really love the blues. And let's start putting them down. So on Monday, one box. On Wednesday, I'll put a box. I'll kind of stagger them. We can put this green one on Tuesday, yellow, red, and I need one more box. Oh, look, that actually is nice with the skirt. It really brings it out. Maybe a purple. Let me go back. I've been loving this book so much. As you can see, it is loved and used and pretty much abused because there's pages coming out. But that's what the book is for, and I am done with the spread. I hope you guys liked it. I wish you all a very happy International Women's Day if you celebrate, and if you don't, still have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys very soon for another video. Thank you for spending time with me. Bye!